we were presented along the way. We got to know the team at Polyseam. Very interestingly, along the journey, one of Polyseam's clients or companies was called Protector. It was a Norwegian firm. Protector is a leading fire-resistant sealant and adhesive brand in Norway and across Scandinavia. They recognised that they wanted to expand internationally. They actually reversed into Polyseam, essentially bought the company. So we were kind of grappling then with the fact that we had Polyseam as a brand. This was their original logo when we started working with them. And we wanted to think about the opportunity to reposition them more of a brand house than as a manufacturer. Not only because that kind of highlighted innovation and positioned them very differently within the marketplace, but I think also gave them the opportunity to increase margins in the space in which they were working. We went on to consider Polyseam in consideration of a corporate identity with Graft and Protector underneath it, and subsequently went on to rebrand the entire operation. So that just gives you an indication of the Protector brand rebranded. So similar kind of products, but very focused on the fire-resistant market in Scandinavia and across the world. So that's a before and after. So Polyseam stopped talking about its organisation as one that is a manufacturer of product, but started talking about some of the impact that it has on the industry, some of the figures that it can trot out. It started to completely change the conversation in which it talked to its clients, which positioned the businesses in a very different way. In terms of our learnings as designers, it's really important that we recognise, and building on some of your points earlier, Simon, that design is a very evolutionary process. It doesn't happen first pass. IPT, you saw the packaging for that brand at the outset. We could have put that on the shelf. I'm sure that it would have sold. But actually, it's about really understanding the users, the competition, and the space in which we work in so that we can iterate appropriately. Listen and observe your users, and ensure that we're market-led, not product-led. It's stuff that we all know, but I think sometimes it's just worth returning to during projects on which we're working. Start off with the numbers, we always say at the engine room. I think that it's really easy to get carried away by really nice-looking designs and really exciting projects, but actually we're commissioned to get involved with businesses, and businesses need commercial returns. So we need to understand what those commercial returns are, and we need to ensure that that business is going to return on their design investment. I think that's really important. I don't know how many designers we have in the room, but I think it's really important that as a design industry we get the fact that actually this isn't all about art, it's actually about having a real business impact on some of the commercial clients with whom we're working.